Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It isn't the morning. Jack's right. Olivia, stop. It has been such a chaotic morning this morning that it is going on noon. And it's the first time of the day that I picked up the camera because I was trying to fill out box top stuff for school. Yeah, look, this is what my dog did last night when we were gone. I love him, so I have to clean that up. I have to get Jack on the bus in.
Hey, no, you should say good afternoon.
Good afternoon, beautiful.
Is it time for me to
11:55, time to get outside. Let's
time
go.
to get outside?
Yep. Jack's gonna have a good day at school.
2 minutes.
No minutes. Let's go. Go outside.
No,
My house is trashed.
Get on the bus. Almost put her puff in her mouth, but then it got out of her mouth.
Oh no, so close, huh?
Webby, no, I'm gonna do something.
No, honey, don't take her food away.
No, I'm just.
She needs to learn how to feed herself too, baby. You can feed her, she just needs to learn how to feed herself also. I'm stepping on him, I can hear him crunching. Are those so yummy?
Webby.
Oh, she choked.
He's choked.
That was a big one.
It's some stuff. She
Yeah,
ate it by herself.
No, she didn't check. I just put it in her mouth. Are you so excited your baby sister's eating food?
Yes.
I have a spot on my lens, I think. Maxie knows that she loves goldfish. So he's trying to feed her goldfish.
See? Like.
Oh, honey, that's too big. That's too big piece. Just the she doesn't like pieces that are slobbered over anyway. But thank you. How about you eat this one? Here. This is what we're having tonight. Spaghetti, and then I'm going to make some cake for the fun fair. And then I'm going to make some peanut butter cookies, possibly, and I might make some corn muffins, and I don't know. Lots of stuff to do. Daisy's peeking her little head through. Jack, what'd you just say?
I just said eat this, Olivia.
No, you said something else. You didn't call her Olivia. You called her something else. What was
I called her eat this.
No, you didn't. You said, hey, don't pull on her high chair. You said Wivy.
Webby, try to eat that.
You're so cute, Jack.
Webby, try to eat that.
Should we make more little tiny cupcakes or should we make big fat cupcakes? Oh my gosh.
More tiny cupcakes.
What are you doing, Jack?
Hey.
Talk to Daddy.
Check.
Yay.
Hey, I bet this. Come on, you.
Hey.
Are you done? Are you exhausted?
By 1923, Mrs. Stouffer raised 2 boys, inspired in business and...
That's way deeper than I thought.
Olivia.
Who goes first?
Olivia.
That's the right answer.
Good night. Good night. Say good night.